Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find like the chests on the Valentine's quest update. I'm just gonna skip this if I can skip it. Apparently I can't. So it will like change every single time, so I can't really show you the actual like placement of it, but here is where you can try to like find all of the chests. So you'll need to find 4 chests. So here obviously can't walk right or left. You're going to go forward, and there's just a bunch of places you can go to. I'm just going to go to the right side first. This is a little bit tricky to find. So there's 2 ways, there and there. You can either go right or left first. Let's go right first. So the chest will spawn, I guess, like very random, but it will be obvious. You can also find it up here. So, okay, my one isn't here right now. Let's see where else would... Okay, so the chest is here. So find the butterfly. You're going to just put your eye where the butterfly is. So it's here. And you're just going to do that 3 times. Oh my god, I did not see where it went. Okay, so sorry. I like couldn't focus because I was like focused on something else, but what? I swear it was in the middle. Sorry. Okay, lastly, here. Okay, so that's the first chest location, is somewhere over there. And then you are going to find the second one. It's kind of like in this like really dark room, so just be prepared. So when you go into this room, it's a little bit dark, so it's a little bit harder to find the chest and where to go. Like, as you can see, it's pretty dark, and the locations again are random. You're just going, oh, there it is, behind the boxes. So I am going to take a screenshot because I obviously cannot memorize this. Okay, so this one is this one, and then this apple one is this one to there, this one here, and this one to this one, and we have 2 more. Okay, once you've gotten everything, you need to find 2 more chests. Okay, let me see if I can find my way out of this one. Okay, so just follow the heart there to get out of it because it's unclear. There we go. Then we're going to go back to the main area, and we're going to find 2 more chests. So you can either go right or left first. The right one is the maze. It is a little bit confusing, so let's just go to this area first before going to the other maze. Okay, where would the other one be? Whoops. Don't tell me I'm stuck there. Do I have to go in? Let's go. Oh, okay. I guess we have to dive. What? What's going on? There's nothing. There's no chests here. Where would it be though? Sorry, I didn't find the chest in this area because my friend did, so I'm not sure where it is. Well, there must be one somewhere here. It could be on the trees maybe. It could be in the water. Oh, it's in the tree trunk. Again, I'm just going to take a screenshot so it's easier and quicker for us to do. Right, this one and this one. Then these two. Then these two up here. And then these two down here. Then this and that. This one and this one. This one in here. And lastly we have these two. Okay. Once you've unlocked the third chest, you're going to go to the maze one, which is a little bit tedious to find, honestly. Because I think I was like lucky on the like first try. So we're just going to walk. I wish we could use a fast walk here because oh my gosh, I am so slow. We have, where is the other one? Oh, this one, which is kind of like a maze. Again, you're just going to walk around and like jump around until you find the chest. Again, it is quite tedious to do this last one, if I'm being honest, because again, the chests will spawn differently and not all at the same area. So you're just going to have to look everywhere and around for it. Okay, it's not here. It's not here as well, but you're just going to keep searching. I don't know like how long this video will be if I kept trying to look for the other chest. My god, this maze is not that small. I think I went here just now. I don't remember. Yeah, I went here already, but that is pretty much it. The last the last chest should be somewhere around here. Again, it will spawn at different places, so I'm not really sure how to help you on the last maze. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.